In this video, I am going to show you how to filter your blend gradebook by grading period. This is especially helpful at the end of a grading period where you may have some assignments on one grading period and some on another. So to start, you're going to find the grades link on your course navigation menu on the left-hand side. Depending upon how many students and assignments you have in your gradebook, it may take a while to load. Once your information has loaded, you'll notice at the top there is an option for View. If you click the caret or down arrow, there are many options, but for this particular demonstration, we are going to go to Filters and then select Grading Periods. A box will then appear on the top right that shows you which grading period is currently being shown in your gradebook. If you're in between grading periods and feel like you might be missing some assignments in your gradebook or want to see them across multiple grading periods, you can select the drop-down arrow and change it to all grading periods. It may seem like it's frozen for a moment once you select it, but it will take and change all of your assignments to all grading periods. So now that this is selected, we will have additional assignments at the end that may fall in the next grading period that weren't initially in your gradebook.